August is going off. Can't even see the ocean. The ocean's like right here.
August is on a rampage. This has been a weird summer. Weird summer. It's alright. It's alright.
That bag over there looks good though.
Thank you. We do a Dave's bagel with nutso and a little bit of raspberry jam. Basically a elevated PB&J.
Elevated. Damn.
That's how we start the day.
Okay.
It's great. It's great. Oh, this is day 2, 𝐂𝐿𝐿𝐿. Day 2 at the 𝐂𝐿𝐿 World Championships of Skimboarding, the Vic. It's going to be very challenging down there today. Yesterday we had some little waves and it was definitely contestable. People were still doing some pretty incredible stuff on the small waves that we had. Today it's probably going to be more or less the same. My first heat is with the GOAT of skimboarding. I'm skimming against Bill Bryan. It's a man-on-man heat with Bill Bryan. There's 4 man-on-man heats, so we're in the quarterfinals, and it's going to be semifinals next, and then finals. So if everything goes well, I have 3 heats to skim today. Let's cross our fingers that that's the case. All right, let's go watch these guys.
Where did you even find that wave?
So that was a little bit closer than I would have liked. That was I was really being patient and waiting for the good waves, and I got a couple good scores off the get-go. So yeah, that went well for me. But Beak was gnarly. If he would have landed that switch 3 shove, that would have really changed things up. So yeah, give it up to Beak. The guy's skimming really, really good. Bill Bryan is one to continue to look out for. So cheers to Beaks. Yeah, Diana. Woohoo, good luck.
Thank you.
You got it.
Gerardo's killing it.
Gerardo's skimming good, yeah. You're gonna have to up the ante a little bit.
I had no idea he was this good at
Small waves. Yeah, he's been putting in the time in Florida and the East Coast. I think he's probably like the most well-traveled like skimboarder from Mexico. He's been to a lot of East Coast events. Has been able to see what it's like over there at its worst, and he's getting very, very good at competing in the small stuff. So yeah, that's what it really takes to be like a well-rounded skimboarder these days. Is you got to make the bad waves look good somehow, or at least do something impressive on them. Turn the turds into diamonds.
So quarterfinals were super intense. In the first heat of the day, it was Gerardo versus Zach Henderson. It was super close, but Gerardo took it. right after we had Blair versus Beaker. That was an incredible heat. You know, it was like super gnarly to see that two good of people like in bad conditions, but it was a show. Blair wound up taking the win. And then after that, I believe it was Johnny and Teddy. And Johnny and Teddy, they have such good style. You know, they both ride for Vic, so they're friends. So it was a super cool heat to watch them compete against each other. And Johnny wound up taking the dub. You know, he's got a little bit more tech. He can carry more speed. His monkey drop's super good. And then the last heat was Dane versus Jake. Yeah, Dane versus Jake. I can't even forgot already. But yeah, it's Dane's conditions. You know, like he's good in all sorts of conditions, but he can really do well when it's even not that great because he has a lot of really insane tech, and you know he threw some insane tricks. It was pretty rad. It's pretty cool to see him.
Dude, congrats on announcing. You're killing it.
Thank you. Appreciate that.
Let's go watch the semifinals.
Yeah, yes sir.
Oh my gosh, it was hard. I kept the board underneath my feet, but then when I landed things, I like landed too hard, kind of. But yeah, it wasn't like the previous rounds where everything just seemed to stick to my feet. But that's okay. We barely squeaked through that one. Gerardo was skimming really well, and I was winded by the end of that heat, and it wasn't like I was running a whole lot. It was just, you got to stay on your toes and battle for priority. So yeah, that was a really fun heat against Gerardo. He's killing it this year. He's competed at a lot of the East Coast events, and I think he's probably in position to win the tour this year, which is really awesome. So I'm rooting for him. Hopefully he's the first skimboarder from Mexico to win the tour. Guy deserves it. And then have no idea what's going on. Oh my gosh. Dane just did a fat 540 shove. Rode it back up the beach. This is gonna be a close one. We'll see what happens here. Weber's skimming good though too.
Where is this?
This is a little burritos, man. This is gonna be gnarly.
Ooh, this is gonna be like a battle.
Tech battle.
He's nervous.
I'm nervous.
He's nervous.
Battle of style. It's gonna be regular drop against monkey crawl.
This is gonna be heavy.
A regular footer against a goofy footer.
Yep. I'm stoked Dane made it that far though. That was awesome for Dane. I think this might have been his, I don't know, this might have been his first professional Vic contest. And to make it in the top 4, which is pretty awesome. So stoked to see that kid make it this far, and it's going to be a challenge, skimming against the old Webski in the final. The guy's he's been trying to like get me nervous before every heat. He's trying to be strategic. It hasn't worked yet. So we'll see what he can do. We'll see how he can get me this time.
Dude, we gotta make sure you win there, because Weber's too shy to talk on the vlog. So,
that's true.
If you win, you have no post interview.
Well, I'll get him. I'll go up there and interview him myself.
Honestly, I have no idea. It was very close. Could have been Blair. He had a lot more consistency with the rides that he got, but Weber got the best wave of the contest. I bet we'll see it at 5 o'clock.
Andre, who do you think won? Who do you think won?
I think Weber won.
He thinks Weber won.
Look at this peak out the back, going deep. Johnny Weber, big wave of the
I don't know if I'm ready to talk.
That's gonna be a close one.
Yeah, it is. That was by no means easy. I don't think it's gonna be. I didn't see the wave Weber got because I was on it, but it sounded like everyone was pretty hyped on that that one good sized wave that he did I think an airdrop on. So I don't know, but then again, like, yeah, it's just gonna be close. I think I had like a better, like, well-rounded score because I went right and left, and I think that's gonna be like, it's gonna be like, how high did they score his one really good ride? I don't know if he had that good of rides going that way.
He didn't have as good of rides.
Yeah.
That one wave might make a difference. Sophia won
Pro woman?
best wave.
Oh, epic. Totally missed that, but I'm sure it was very deserving.
And then 𝐂𝐎𝐿 won best style.
Okay. Best style, that's rad. 𝐂𝐿𝐎 is basically just a mini Weber. Weber has really sick style. I think everything 𝐂𝐿𝐎 does is from watching Weber's videos, probably. It's pretty epic. And Sophia Wynn is one of the... She's changing the game for girls skimboarding. Let's just say it. Let's put it that way. She did more 540 shoves in that contest than probably any pro guy. And yeah, she's very, very good.
It's getting nervous, look.
I'm not nervous because I know what's happened. I'm pretty sure I know what happened.
Even if you get first, I'm still going to be taller than you. There's no point. It's still going to be hard to beat.
Who's it gonna be?
Who's gonna be the regular footer, the goofy footer, GBR, the regular drop, the monkey crawl guy? Who's gonna be?
I think I'm walking up there, my friends.
legend.
Yeah.
Oh, see you later.
Yeah, Johnny!
Congrats, Augie.
Thank you.
Crash on the beach. I'm looking at some. Grab it on your way out. Keep this place beautiful. Keep yourselves beautiful. Keep the smiles plentiful and the hearts full.
Oh, bro. Thank you for all your hard work and dedication for all of the episodes of the Skid Kids. I love you. Love to be a part of it. Blair shredded.
Can we give it up for Brett for being on the bike all weekend long?
Thank you.
I don't want to talk. Thank you, I appreciate it.
Dude, you're chilling.
I'm stoked on my trophy. Look at the trophy.
That's so sick. You can't swear, man. You're making my head
Look at my freaking trophy.
Yeah, that's better. Thank you.
Thank you, Andre.
Yeah, we did it.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Dude, that's so sick, man. So sick.
Thank you. Yeah, bro. Time to go home. I'm tired. Home time. Thank you.
Tell Blair to call me when he needs a new coach next year. I'll be ready.
Training with Gio. He'll get you there.
Are you filming the documentary, The Rise and Fall of Blair Conklin?
Yeah, just kidding.
I'm on to being an electrician now with Jack.
I'm gonna give you 10 an hour.
10 an hour.
That's generous.
That's generous.
I'm your boss. I'm your boss.
Look at me, I'm your boss now.
I'm your boss. I'm the captain.
That's how it is. Thanks for watching.